What actually happens when you switch IT providers? And how do you transition technology support without disrupting your business? In this video, we'll walk through how IT provider transitions typically work. By the end, you'll understand how a structured transition process helps ensure continuity and stability. Hi, I'm Philip with Banks Technology Services. One of the most common concerns businesses have when switching IT providers is how the transition will affect their operations. A structured process helps ensure systems remain stable while responsibility for support changes. Technology environments can be complex. Many businesses rely on their IT provider for systems access, documentation, and vendor relationships. Because of this, switching providers can feel uncertain without a clear transition plan. The first step is coordinating the transition timeline. This may include communicating with the previous provider, reviewing documentation, and gathering access to systems. The goal is to ensure information is transferred clearly and professionally. Next, access to systems is verified and secured. This includes administrative credentials, vendor accounts, network equipment, and cloud services. Ensuring proper access allows the new provider to support systems responsibly. Monitoring and support tools are deployed so systems can be observed and maintained. This step helps ensure that issues can be identified quickly and addressed proactively. After the transition, focus shifts to stabilizing the environment. Outdated configurations, security gaps, or documentation gaps may be addressed to improve reliability. Most transitions between IT providers are handled professionally. The goal is continuity for the business, not conflict between the providers. A structured process helps ensure the change happens smoothly. If you're considering changing IT providers but are unsure how the transition would work, we're happy to walk through the process and answer your questions. Switching IT providers doesn't have to be disruptive. With the right process, the transition can be smooth and predictable.